Welcome back, Modified Crew, to the $2,200 FRS build. I'm your daily driver, your daily modifier, your daily worker of this build. And today, your votes are in about what we should do about the CAMO WRAP on my FRS. Anyways, I'm excited to get started, so let's go and get started right after this intro. This is what I get to deal with. Look at the trench that's in the middle of my road, guys. This thing gets probably like 8 inches deep, right? And it's just crazy. It's like there's barely any room on either side of the road. And this happens every time it rains. And depending upon how much rain we get, it just gets worse and worse. So this is the clearance I get to deal with, right? So that's how high it is. I'd probably say like 5 inches. So if I even misjudge, or if it, collapses while I'm riding the edge there, my car would get stuck in that trench. So good times, guys. This is my road. I just wanted to share that with you. Let's go and get started. All right, guys, we're gonna go and wrap the roof, and that's actually a job that's better done with 2 people. So I would like to introduce you to my brother, Mike. I'm actually a triplet. Matt has been on the channel just for a brief moment when I first got the car. This is my other brother, Mike, and he's the identical brother with the big beard. Now, what your name, what your number?
My name, Mike, my number, Mike.
Hopefully we don't have any problems, because I can't be messing up on a 4x4 piece of wrap because it's expensive and we on a budget. All right, let's go ahead and get to it, guys.
Did you say expensive?
I did.
Nice.
All right, so the first thing we got to do is get this all clean. I don't feel like washing the car again, so I'm just gonna go and dry it off and then clean it with some wax grease removers. Yeah, this is one of those roofs that isn't even flat, so it's gonna be interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna wrap it from the middle or what. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, right?
Don't scratch the paint, dude.
Dude, this is a technique, man.
This should be a dual brother channel.
At the car wash. You're not putting that in. I hope you don't, dude.
This is a total pain in the butt. Sun's coming out, which I'm not good, because then the wrap's gonna get hot and then it's really gonna be hard to work with. So hopefully we got most of it down. Guys, if you're gonna wrap your roof and want it to look super professional, it might be worth it just to invest in paying somebody, because this is like, you'll see in the time lapse how many times we actually had to pull this up, pull it down, everything like that. And when you do that, I'm sure that compromises the integrity of the wrap lasting. We are having to work at it a lot. So if it looks easy, it's not. I don't know if it's just because we have these curves here and then also because of how rounded the roof is, but I think most of them are going to be that way. So just kind of wanted to let you know where we stand. We're getting the last little bit here, and hopefully we can get these air bubbles out, because it's kind of a pain. So I'll keep you guys posted as we finish this up. Just finished her up, and she is flawless, just like a professional. Oh yeah, I'm that good. Here's the truth. All right, so we did go ahead and get it all on, which is actually really good. We're pretty happy with it. There are some scratch marks. When you're rubbing it as much as we had to, abrasion's gonna happen. So that's one of the flaws. The other flaw, right there. Oh, there we go. There's a little crease. Not bad for a first time wrapping. We only have a couple of those, like a couple small ones. And then the third thing that I did right here, when I cut the wrap, I cut it too far, guys. I didn't get it close enough, but I have a solution. I'm gonna go ahead and address that on a later video. Anywho, that was the only other third thing. Other than that, I'm super happy with the way the wrap came out. It's kind of a metallic, so it's not a deep black like the windows, but it's black metallic, so it has the metallic shine of the car, but it's black. How long do you think this officially took us?
Hour or two, at least.
Was it easier or harder than you thought it was going to be?
For something that's pretty flat, that took a long time.
What was some of the obstacles you came across?
Stuff underneath, like you think it's clean and then you realize it's not.
Okay, so like debris underneath?
Yeah, and then creases.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and see some of my fancy work on the car. The initial placement is really what makes a difference.
We're all like doing our thing, getting it down, and then I'm like, bro, I don't even have enough to cover this corner, so we had to rip it all up and stuff. So that was one of the things that really sucked.
And rip it up, and rip it up.
We ripped it up like 20 times. Anyways, Mike, I appreciate your help, sir. Good looking out. I hope to see you in future episodes, working it like always, and I love you, bro.
Hand twin.
Hand twin. You guys spoke, and even though nobody said it was super ugly, nobody said they even liked it. So it was just a bunch of meh. It was an overly meh wrap job, and that's not what I'm going for. So we're gonna go and undo that now. All right, guys, it's been a couple days after my 1 to 2 hour wrap job, and I'm super happy with it. There's no peeling up, no bubbling, anything like that. No imperfections have appeared since I finished the wrap job. So I just want to kind of fill you in on how that progressed, and let's go and get that old CAMO wrap off now. Basically, when removing the wrap, it works best just have it in the warm sun, and then it comes off pretty easy. This side's not in the sun, so that's why I actually had to use the gun. There we go, final piece done. All right, guys, I'm gonna spare you the details of me wrapping this poorly. Actually, I thought I recorded the whole thing, and I recorded none of it. I got this installed. It was a pain in the butt. Realistically, I'd probably advise taking off the grill and or bumper to do it, just because it might be easier. I'm glad you guys didn't see it, because I'd be completely embarrassed, and I'm sure you guys would be smacking your foreheads or hitting your head against the wall like, what is he doing? So let's just keep going on this project. I rolled to the mall. It's getting a little dark here, so I thought I'd get some shots for you so you can see what the car looks like. I know I've been really slacking as far as giving you guys a feel of what the car looks like entirely. It's just hard to film sometimes, you know. I get shut down all the time whenever I'm filming in public. So anyways, I went to the mall to go and try to record, and you know, I was there probably 2-3 minutes, and again, they told me to leave. But anyways, here's the footage I got. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let's check it out right now. You know what that smells like, guys? That is the smell of failure. Yes, it is. I failed you. I failed the automotive world, but that's okay. That's okay, guys. Consider me Rocky. I may be down. I may be down, but I'm not out. I'm coming back with a vengeance, and this car is gonna get better and nicer as each episode progresses. So if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so, because you do not want to miss the budget build of this FRS and where it's going next. I got a bunch of parts, bunch of unboxings, and it's all in a budget. So I'm excited to show it to you guys, and I appreciate it. If you have any comments, feel free to let me know, and I will see you on the next one.